Welcome to our Solid Surface Uncovered for Commercial Washrooms CPD, certified by the CPD Certification Service. In this video, we'll introduce you to solid surface as a material and explore how it can be used effectively within commercial washroom environments. First, a little about us. Here at the Washroom Vanity company, we have over 25 years of industry experience and have become true specialists in washroom design and manufacturing. Our mission is simple: to create beautiful, functional wash station solutions that truly elevate every environment, whether it's commercial, office, school, hotel, or leisure facilities. With locations in Northamptonshire, Staffordshire, and County Durham, we are proud to serve clients across the entire of the UK. Our approach ensures that no matter where you are located, we can provide you with the best solutions to meet your needs. We are a brand of the sanitary ware company, who serve the commercial market with a complete portfolio of sanitary ware, from DOC M compliant solutions and HBN approved stainless steel products to a dedicated range developed specifically for the education sector. All our products are made in-house, giving us complete control over quality and allowing full flexibility to adapt to your project's unique needs. Our offering includes solid surface wash troughs, vanities, superloo vanities, bespoke solid surface solutions, and mirror box units. Our expert team is here to guide you, from choosing the right materials and finishes to recommending water-saving brassware that supports sustainability and hygiene goals. When it comes to technical documentation, we provide everything you need: NBS specifications, datasheets, CAD blocks, and profile drawings. To support your design vision, we supply samples and mood boards, helping you feel confident in your material and color choices. When specifying solid surface for your project, whether for wash troughs, vanities, or bespoke fabricated items, it's crucial to consider the level of support a supplier can offer. This support goes beyond just the product itself. A knowledgeable supplier can be an extension of your design team, helping you streamline documentation from initial concept through to project handover. Early guidance helps ensure the product you specify is fit for purpose and aligns with both design intent and project constraints. These resources are essential for producing clear and accurate documentation that can be used across design, tender, and construction phases. To ensure the product you specify is the product that gets installed, consider working with suppliers who offer a project management approach. This means they'll be involved from the specification stage through tender and award process, liaising with contractors and delivery, installation, and aftercare. This continuity helps reduce the risk of substitution, miscommunication, and delays, and gives you peace of mind that your specification will be upheld. Now, on to today's CPD. Our CPD aims to give you an all-round introduction to solid surface and its use for commercial washroom environments. By the end of this CPD session, you will be able to 1. Understand the origins and evolution of solid surface. Gain knowledge of what solid surface is made of, how it's created, and the history of its development. 2. Describe what solid surface is made from and the different components that contribute to the makeup of solid surface. 3. Recognize the performance benefits of solid surface. Understand why solid surface is ideal for high-performance, long-lasting washroom solutions. 4. Explore creative design opportunities. Discover the design flexibility of solid surface, including shaping, color matching, seamless joinery, and bespoke applications. 5. Identify key specification considerations. Learn how to specify solid surface for a variety of project types based on functionality, aesthetics, and user requirements. 6. Evaluate sustainability credentials. Understand the environmental impact of solid surface, including its durability, recyclability, and contribution to green building standards. 7. Review budgeting scenarios. gain insights into the cost considerations of using solid surface in different types of projects, and understand its long-term value. 8. We will finish today's CPD by looking at some real-life case study examples that demonstrate how solid surface has been incorporated into washroom specification. In this first section of the CPD, we'll look at where solid surface materials came from, how they entered the UK market, and what the landscape looks like today. In the 1960s, a team of chemists and engineers at DuPont set out to create a material that could bridge the gap between aesthetics and performance. At the time, designers relied on natural stone, which was expensive and porous, or laminate, which lacked durability. The result was Corian, a solid surface material composed of acrylic resin and natural minerals. It was stain-resistant, seamless, and even repairable, a huge advancement over materials that cracked or chipped permanently. DuPont's 20-year patent on solid surface technology meant they were the only global supplier, allowing them to control quality and pricing while introducing the material to a wide range of markets, from kitchens and healthcare to marine and laboratory environments. Corian made its way into the UK market in 1979 through CD UK Limited, who remain a key distribution partner to this day. At the time, Corian's seamless and hygienic qualities were especially appealing in healthcare and food service sectors, where infection control and cleanliness were critical. Its ability to be molded and joined seamlessly set it apart from anything else available. Over time, the term Corian became a kind of industry shorthand for solid surface, in the same way we often use Tupperware or Hoover as generic terms. This brand dominance not only drove adoption, but also created awareness of the potential that solid surface could offer in both commercial and residential design. After DuPont's exclusive patent expired in the late 1980s, the floodgates opened for competition. This wasn't just a commercial shift, it ushered in a wave of innovation. Brands like Hymax, Staron, Creon, and Avanite emerged globally, while others like Duracine brought solid surface into new markets with competitive pricing and expanded color offerings. Each brand now brings something unique. Some, like Creon, offer antibacterial formulations. Others, like Hymax, have certified low VOC emissions and Green Guard Gold accreditation. Staron is known for its translucent ranges, ideal for backlit designs. Many brands now offer sustainable options with high percentages of recycled content. The result? Architects and designers today enjoy an unprecedented level of choice, whether your priority is environmental performance, budget, or color fidelity. In this next section, we will take a closer look at the components that make up solid surface. Solid surface is a man-made material, created by combining three key ingredients, which are carefully mixed and cured into sheets, to create a material with a stone-like feel and appearance, but with greater versatility. The exact percentage of each component varies among manufacturers. The first component is aluminium trihydrate, which is a byproduct of aluminium production. ATH contributes to sustainability by reducing landfill waste and repurposing industrial materials. It provides the bulk and fire resistance of solid surface. Next is the polymethyl methacrylate, or PMMA for short, often just called acrylic. This is a strong, durable bonding agent that holds ATH together. Also used in bulletproof glass and dental implants, PMMA highlights the material's toughness and flexibility in design applications. Finally, the essential ingredient in making solid surfaces an interior designer's dream, the natural pigments. These enable a wide range of colors and finishes, giving designers creative freedom and making solid surface a preferred choice for visually striking interiors. While each brand of solid surface markets unique features and benefits, the core composition of their products remains largely the same. The differences lie in exclusive formulas, manufacturing processes, durability, repairability, and varying design options. We're now going to look at the performance benefits of solid surface and explore why it continues to be a material of choice for high-performance, long-lasting washroom and interior applications. First, we're going to start with hygiene. Solid surface is a non-porous material, meaning it doesn't have microscopic pores that can trap liquids, dirt, or bacteria. This characteristic is especially important in spaces that require rigorous cleanliness standards. In contrast to porous materials like natural stone or wood, solid surface doesn't allow the absorption of stains or water, making it extremely easy to clean and disinfect. In addition, it offers excellent chemical resistance, allowing strong cleaning agents and disinfectants to be used without degrading the surface. This resistance is crucial in healthcare and laboratory environments where sanitation is non-negotiable. Solid surface also meets the NSF 51 standard, making it approved for use in food preparation areas like kitchens. One of the defining features of solid surface is its ability to be seamlessly joined, creating a continuous, flowing appearance with no visible joints or grout lines. This is achieved through the use of color-matched adhesive, which bonds the separate pieces of solid surface material into a single unified sheet. Once cured and sanded, the joint becomes completely invisible to the eye and to the touch, offering both aesthetically clean lines and practical performance. This seamless quality is especially valuable in modern architectural and interior design, where smooth, uninterrupted surfaces are a signature of minimalist and contemporary styles. It gives designers the freedom to create long, elegant counters, sweeping curves, and monolithic forms that appear sculpted from a single piece. But beyond the visual impact, seamless joints also provide functional benefits. With no gaps or crevices, there are fewer places for moisture, dirt, or bacteria to accumulate, making the surface much easier to clean and maintain. This is a key reason solid surface is often used in hygiene-critical environments such as healthcare, laboratories, and food prep areas. In addition to its hygienic properties, solid surface is exceptionally durable, making it an excellent material for high-traffic environments like public buildings, transport terminals, and retail spaces. One of the key strengths of solid surface is that it is hard-wearing. It's specifically designed to resist the kind of surface abrasion and wear that's common in areas with heavy footfall or frequent contact with furniture, equipment, or luggage. It is also heat-resistant, which means it can tolerate exposure to hot objects or equipment without warping, bubbling, or degrading. This makes it ideal for counters, worktops, and public service areas where heat exposure may be a regular occurrence. As well as being heat-resistant, solid surface has been tested to EN 13501B standards and is considered fire-resistant, making it ideal for settings where public safety is paramount. Another standout feature is its impact resistance. Whether it's a dropped bag, a heavy item, or an accidental knock, solid surface is engineered to withstand physical impact without chipping or cracking, greatly extending the lifespan of the installation. What's more, the solid, seamless nature of the material means there are no vulnerable joints or weak spots where dirt, moisture, or bacteria can settle. This not only improves hygiene, but also ensures the surface retains its structural integrity over time. One of the most exciting aspects of solid surface is its design flexibility, especially through the thermoforming process. This is where solid surface is gently heated to a specific temperature, allowing it to become malleable and shaped into an array of custom forms and contours. Designers and fabricators can create smooth, seamless curves, sculptural elements, and flowing lines that wouldn't be possible with traditional rigid materials like stone or laminate. Once cooled, the material retains its new shape permanently while maintaining its durability and hygienic properties. This level of design freedom opens the door to truly innovative applications, from organic, wave-like reception desks and curved vanity units to 3D feature walls, sculptural installations, and unique furniture pieces. The seamless nature of the material also allows for integrated sinks, backsplashes, and edge treatments, all without visual disruption. Solid surface can be applied vertically, horizontally, or even in 3 dimensions, which makes it ideal for a variety of sectors, particularly in hospitality, retail, education, and healthcare environments, where both form and function matter. Solid surface offers an impressive range of design flexibility and aesthetic choices, making it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. Whether you're working on contemporary designs or traditional interiors, solid surface comes in a variety of colors and textures, from clean whites to sophisticated terrazzo and marble effects. This makes it a versatile material that complements a wide range of design schemes. One of the standout features of solid surface is its ability to create a seamless, continuous finish. This means that there are no visible joints or seams. This continuous surface creates a sense of harmony and flow in the space. In terms of comfort, solid surface is ideal because it adapts to ambient room temperature. Unlike natural stones, which can often feel cold or uninviting, solid surface feels more pleasant and comfortable to the touch, no matter the temperature of the room. Additionally, when compared to natural stones like marble or granite, solid surface offers a more cost-effective solution. It provides the same high-end appearance, but at a fraction of the price, allowing designers to achieve premium aesthetics without exceeding their budgets. Another standout benefit of solid surface is its exceptional repairability. Unlike many other materials that show wear and tear over time and eventually need to be replaced, solid surface can be renewed and restored, often with minimal effort and cost. Everyday wear, such as scratches, scuffs, or minor dents, can typically be polished or sanded out by a professional, or even by trained maintenance staff using standard tools. This makes it easy to maintain the original appearance of the surface, even in demanding environments. In the event of more significant damage, such as chips, cracks, or burn marks, on-site repairs are possible, and they can often be carried out without removing or replacing the entire section. This helps to minimize disruption, downtime, and material waste, which is especially important in 24/7 environments like hospitals, hotels, or public buildings. Because of this, solid surface offers a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to many other finishes. The ability to restore instead of replace supports circular design principles and reduces the overall environmental impact. For clients or facilities managers concerned with life cycle costs, ongoing maintenance, and sustainable design, solid surface stands out as a smart, long-term investment. Thanks to its unique combination of versatility, durability, and refined aesthetic appeal, solid surface has firmly established itself as a go-to material across a wide range of industries, from hospitality and healthcare to retail and education. In this section, we'll start by highlighting some of these common applications, with a particular focus on washroom environments, where solid surface really shines. We'll then explore the different elements of design flexibility that solid surface offers, covering wash trough fabrication, both traditional and thermoforming, seamless joinery, the wide range of colors and finishes available, and finally, the bespoke design potential. In commercial and public settings, solid surface finds widespread use in areas such as reception desks, where branding and first impressions matter, kitchen worktops, combining design elegance with practical performance, benches, counters, and surface cladding in public-facing environments. Its ability to integrate seamlessly with other materials makes it a natural fit for cohesive interior design schemes. When it comes to bespoke applications, solid surface is incredibly adaptable. It's often used in custom furniture pieces, healthcare environments where hygiene and resilience are essential. These specialist uses highlight how solid surface can meet demanding functional requirements while still delivering on design. Now, let's narrow our focus to one of its most impactful applications: washroom environments, Solid Surface is uniquely suited to this setting because of its seamless construction, low maintenance finish, and hygiene-first properties. These are critical for high-traffic spaces where durability and cleanliness can't be compromised. For vanity countertops, Solid Surface offers excellent moisture and stain resistance, while also being easy to keep clean. When it comes to wash troughs, especially in commercial or public facilities, its joint-free installation and thermoformability mean we can design smooth, curved units that eliminate dirt traps and boost longevity. In Superloos, Solid Surface shines again, offering a water-resistant, low-maintenance solution that looks sharp and stays clean. One of the standout advantages is the ability to create integrated sinks, seamlessly molded into the countertop. This improves both aesthetics and hygiene, removing those tricky-to-clean joins between basin and surface. And the benefits go even further. Solid Surface is excellent for woo-doo stations, baby change areas, shower trays, and even decorative wall panels or shelving, helping you maintain a consistent design language throughout. It also supports inclusive design, with the flexibility to accommodate DDA-compliant layouts, lowered units, or non-slip textures, essential for accessibility in public spaces. In short, Solid Surface offers an exceptional blend of design freedom, functionality, and long-term performance, making it a top-tier choice for modern washroom design. Solid Surface has truly transformed the way we approach washroom design, thanks to its remarkable design flexibility. We will now explore how that flexibility can be harnessed to create both functional and visually striking washroom environments. Over the next few slides, we will walk through the fabrication process for wash troughs. This will give you a clearer understanding of how they are constructed, what design possibilities exist, and where certain limitations may arise. We're starting with traditional fabrication, which is still widely used, especially for wash troughs, where the waste and pipework are hidden, and also for vanities. This method uses a plywood base to support solid surface panels that are grooved, bonded, and assembled in sections. It's a robust, well-understood approach that remains reliable and cost-effective. However, this process is both time and labor-intensive, requiring a high level of precision and craftsmanship. It depends heavily on skilled fabricators to ensure quality and accuracy at every stage. This slide explores one of the most transformative techniques in solid surface fabrication, thermoforming. Thermoforming is the process of heating solid surface sheets until they become pliable, allowing them to be shaped into curves, waves, or more complex three-dimensional forms. Once cooled, the material retains its new shape with full structural integrity. For wash troughs, thermoforming allows for truly organic and flowing designs. Think curved front faces, sculpted basins, and integrated splashbacks, all without visible joins or harsh angles. For you, this means expanded creative potential. You're no longer limited to boxy or angular forms. Instead, you can specify sweeping contours that add softness, elegance, or movement to a washroom scheme. And because it's still a seamless solid surface finish, you retain all the hygienic and low-maintenance benefits that make this material ideal for healthcare, hospitality, education, and a wide range of other sectors. In short, thermoforming unlocks a world of bespoke possibilities without compromising function. Now, we're going to move on to seamless joinery, one of solid surface's standout features. This technique bonds multiple sections with color-matched adhesive, creating nearly invisible seams. The result is a sleek, monolithic surface that supports clean lines and blends effortlessly into modern interiors. Beyond aesthetics, seamless joinery offers major hygiene benefits. With no visible joints or crevices, there's no place for dirt or bacteria to hide, making cleaning easier and ensuring lasting cleanliness. This makes solid surface ideal for high-traffic, regulated spaces like schools, hospitals, and commercial washrooms where hygiene is critical. One of the most compelling features of Solid Surface is its extensive range of colors, patterns, and finishes, which is especially valuable in washroom design. This versatility allows designers to create spaces that can be both functional and visually striking. Solid Surface comes in a broad palette, from classic whites and warm neutrals for a clean minimalist aesthetic to rich saturated tones and contemporary grays for more vibrant modern spaces. Whether you're looking for soft beige, deep burgundy, or sleek charcoal, there's a color for every design vision. In addition to colors, Solid Surface can replicate natural stone with speckled finishes, subtle veining, and even stone-like patterns. When it comes to finishes, you have 3 key options to choose from: matte, satin, or gloss. Each finish offers a distinct look and feel. Matte for a modern, understated elegance. Satin for a subtle sheen that's polished but not overpowering. And gloss for high-shine luxury that makes colors pop. Perhaps most importantly, this wide range of colors and finishes allows you to tailor your washroom designs to match broader interior schemes or reflect brand colors. For industries like retail, hospitality, or education, this level of customization ensures that your design feels cohesive, on-brand, and fully integrated with the rest of the space. Solid Surface offers control over the final appearance that's hard to match. Whether you're looking for a consistent pattern across multiple spaces or specific color matching, it provides the flexibility and precision that large-scale projects demand. Solid Surface's ability to replicate the aesthetics of natural stones like granite, marble, quartz, and terrazzo is one of its key strengths. But its advantages don't stop at looks. In fact, Solid Surface often outperforms real stone in a number of important areas. First, it's far more cost-effective, making it an ideal option for large-scale commercial projects. Additionally, it's lighter in weight, which makes transportation and installation faster and easier, saving both time and money. But the real magic of Solid Surface lies in its fabrication capabilities. It can be cut, shaped, and joined seamlessly, allowing for continuous, uninterrupted surfaces. This eliminates the issue of visible seams, which is common with stone and opens up endless possibilities for custom designs, something you just can't achieve with stone without added complexity and cost. Unlike natural stone, Solid Surface provides consistent color and pattern across large projects, ensuring that every part of the design is cohesive. This is crucial when visual consistency is key, as natural stone can vary from slab to slab. What's more, Solid Surface is far easier to maintain and repair. Its non-porous surface makes it resistant to stains, mold, and mildew, which is a big plus in washroom environments. And if any damage does occur, it can often be repaired seamlessly, unlike natural stone, which can be difficult and costly to fix. Finally, in this section, we are going to look at the bespoke design potential of Solid Surface for washroom projects. Solid Surface offers outstanding versatility for bespoke washroom design, combining form and function. It can be shaped and thermoformed to create seamless curves, integrated bowls, and flowing profiles, perfect for modern ergonomic designs. CNC machining enables engraved logos, icons, or tactile signage, ideal for branding. Certain options can also be backlit, adding drama and luxury for hospitality or high-end retail. Practical features like splashbacks, bin chutes, or towel drops can be seamlessly integrated, reducing clutter and enhancing hygiene. As a manufactured material, Solid Surface ensures a consistent finish across units, ideal for large or multi-site projects needing a uniform aesthetic. In this part of today's CPD, we'll take a closer look at how to specify Solid Surface products across a range of washroom projects, focusing on functionality, visual appeal, and end-user needs. Whether you're designing for high-traffic commercial environments, education settings, or luxury hospitality spaces, we'll break down what to consider when selecting the right products. We will also briefly touch on installation heights and ancillary items, including brassware and washroom accessories. When specifying wash troughs, there are two main things to keep in mind: the environment they're going into and the level of design flexibility you need. Getting those two elements right means the end result will work, both functionally and visually. Take healthcare and other high-use areas. These environments need robust, hygienic solutions. Thermoformed wash troughs are a great choice here. They're seamless, non-porous, and easy to clean. You can even go a step further and specify coved edges to eliminate tight corners and reduce dirt traps, something particularly popular in clinical spaces. Now in education, the design requirements shift. It's about safety, accessibility, and long-term durability. That's why it's essential to follow the Department for Education guidelines when specifying for schools or colleges. We will go into more detail on this on the next slide. In commercial and high-end public spaces, design often takes center stage. Concealed wastes are a great example. They hide unsightly pipework and give the washroom a sleek, contemporary finish. But it's worth noting that this kind of detail isn't always suitable in every setting. For example, in schools, where pupils might try to block the gully. The Department for Education provides clear, detailed guidance for school washroom products, and that includes wash troughs. The specification calls for durable, easy-to-maintain materials: solid surface, recycled plastic, or vitreous china. It also allows for any material that can demonstrate equal performance. As a result, we've seen a strong shift towards solid surface wash troughs in education projects. A key detail appears in Section 4.3.3. Wash troughs must be free from acute corners. This is where thermoforming becomes essential. The guidance also outlines 3 critical design features that every wash trough should have. It must be mounted off the floor, include a downstand to hide surfaces, and offer a removable panel for maintenance access. Many wash troughs may tick 1 or 2 of these boxes, but not all manage all 3, so it's something to watch out for. Here we have a few examples of wash troughs installed in education settings, which help bring the DFE guidelines to life. The 2 wash troughs on the left have been specifically developed to meet all of the key criteria outlined in the Department for Education specification. Featuring thermoformed, seamless construction, they're mounted off the floor with a clear downstand to conceal pipework, and they include removable access panels. The 2 wash troughs shown here on the right are not wall-hung, which is the DFE's preferred method of installation. However, in some school buildings, the wall construction may not be structurally capable of supporting the weight of a solid surface trough, especially when in use by multiple students at once. In those situations, a floor-mounted underframe is introduced to provide additional structural support. So, while compliance is essential, practical site conditions sometimes require thoughtful adaptations without compromising performance or safety. One of the biggest advantages of solid surface wash troughs is just how customizable they are. The material is incredibly flexible, which means it can be shaped and configured to suit almost any layout or project requirement. In terms of size, wash troughs can be manufactured from as small as 500 mm up to 3 meters in a single seamless piece. For anything longer, we recommend fabricating 2 units and joining them neatly on site. This still delivers that seamless look without compromising performance. Depth is another area where solid surface shines. You can specify virtually any bed depth, though we suggest a minimum of 350 mm to maintain enough functional space for hand washing. Internally, our standard trough depth is 140 mm. That might not sound like much, but after testing different options, We found that extra depth makes a big difference in reducing splashback, especially in busy, high-traffic environments. Some brands go with 100 mm, but in our experience, 140 mm offers much better performance. And finally, when it comes to finish, you're not limited. As we have said, Solid Surface comes in a huge variety of colors and tones, so whether you're matching a bold scheme or keeping it neutral, there's always an option that'll fit. Here we have a visual comparison highlighting various wash trough profiles, showcasing both traditional fabrication and thermoformed construction methods that we touched on earlier. Far left, a traditionally fabricated trough with angular joins and sharp corners, created by bonding flat panels. While durable, this design can be harder to clean. Second from left, a thermoformed trough with smooth, seamless curves. This method improves hygiene with no visible joins. Third in, a traditionally made trough with a concealed waste, offering a cleaner, minimalist look, popular in high-end commercial settings where aesthetics are a key driver. Far right, a fully DFE-compliant thermoformed trough featuring no acute corners and a removable, tamper-proof access panel. It's mounted off the floor, conceals all surfaces, and allows for easy maintenance. One of Solid Surface's key strengths is its flexibility. Thermoforming, machining, and seamless joining allow for highly bespoke designs. Here are some custom design-led wash trough examples that go beyond the standard profile. Far left, a concealed waste trough with a hidden drainage channel for a clean, uninterrupted look. Second from left, a standard trough with an extended bag shelf, offering users space for belongings. Third in, a functional design with a sloped central waste and integrated bin chute, ideal for efficient water drainage and paper towel disposal. Far right, individual style basins fabricated as a single unit, combining personal space with easy cleaning and installation. These examples highlight Solid Surface's versatility in both form and function, tailored to meet specific spatial and user needs. Next, we'll look at vanity tops. They have long been a washroom design staple across many sectors. The most commonly specified materials are laminate, natural stone, and increasingly solid surface. Laminate options like HPL, SGL, and CGL are cost-effective up front, but tend to underperform over time, especially in high-traffic areas. They're not repairable, so minor damage often leads to full replacement, driving up long-term costs. Natural stone, such as quartz, granite, and marble, offer durability and a premium finish, ideal for luxury projects. However, it's porous, requiring regular sealing, and is heavier, more expensive, and harder to install and maintain. This is where Solid Surface offers a smart alternative. It strikes that perfect balance between affordability, performance, and visual appeal. It gives you that high-end look, similar to stone, but without the cost or maintenance overheads. It's non-porous, making it naturally waterproof and stain-resistant, perfect for washrooms. It also allows for seamless fabrication, so you can run long vanity units or integrate basins without any visible joins. That's great for both hygiene and aesthetics. Design flexibility is another big win. Because Solid Surface is thermoformable, you can create curved profiles, coved-up stands, or even sloped surfaces. This means it can be tailored to virtually any layout, and it works beautifully in environments where space, access, or visual impact matters. Perhaps most importantly, if the surface does become damaged, it can be repaired on-site, extending the product's life, saving money over time. It's lightweight, robust, and more sustainable in the long run, making it an ideal choice for washrooms. There are several ways to incorporate solid surface vanity tops and basins into your washroom projects, and the choice largely comes down to the design intent and functional requirements of the space. Vessel basins sit above the counter, creating a bold focal point. ideal for high-end or hospitality settings. Undermount and inset basins offer a clean, minimalist look and easy maintenance, perfect for modern commercial spaces. Semi-recessed basins are ideal for compact washrooms, projecting slightly to save space. Fully integrated basins, formed seamlessly into the vanity top, offer maximum hygiene, durability, and visual simplicity. We'll explore these next. When it comes to basin selection, we understand that every project has different design goals and budget constraints. The beauty of solid surface vanity units is that they are compatible with both ceramic and solid surface basins, giving you flexibility to meet the specific needs of your scheme. Ceramic basins are cost-effective and widely available, making them a practical choice for budget-conscious projects. However, they can chip or crack and aren't repairable. While traditionally limited to white, more color and style options are now available. Installation typically involves mastic, leaving a visible join. Solid surface basins offer greater design freedom. They can be seamlessly integrated into the vanity top for a sleek, hygienic finish with no visible joins. While white is common, basins can be made in matching colors for a premium, unified look. So far, we've looked at vanity units in communal hand wash areas, typically with 2 or more user stations. Now, we're shifting focus to a different and increasingly popular application: self-contained washroom units, commonly referred to as superloos. Superloos are complete washroom spaces that include all the key elements: toilet, basin, and hand-drying facilities within a single room. They're often specified where space is tight, or where the client requests gender-neutral washrooms, as they provide a high level of privacy and a more inclusive approach to design. One of the key benefits of the superloo layout is its potential to reduce touchpoints. Because everything is contained within a single room, users interact with fewer surfaces, making the environment more hygienic than traditional multi-user facilities. Solid surface works exceptionally well in superloos. Its seamless, non-porous finish makes it ideal for compact vanity solutions, where hygiene, easy maintenance, and durability are crucial. In response to the rise of superloos, Approved Document T came into effect on October 1st, 2024, setting out when they're appropriate and the minimum requirements for layout and accessibility. The regulation applies to most commercial buildings, excluding schools, student accommodation, hotel en suites, and care homes. A key requirement is that single-sex toilets must still be provided. Gender-neutral toilets are allowed only alongside single-sex facilities or where space is limited, balancing inclusivity with user comfort. Minimum standards include room size. This should be 1,050 mm wide by 1,685 mm long. Clearance: 200 mm beside the WC and 600 mm by 800 mm activity zones in front of the WC and basin, with a 450 mm diameter clearance in front of each fixture for ease of use. These updates ensure superloo designs are compliant, accessible, and future-proof. In superloos, the hand wash areas must be practical, space-efficient, and visually cohesive. Wall-mounted ceramic basins are a compact, budget-friendly choice for basic or high-traffic settings. For higher-spec projects, vanity units offer more design flexibility, typically housing just one basin, ideal for customization. A popular solution is a solid-surface vanity top with a concealed waste basin, offering a clean, minimalist look with hidden pipework. These can accommodate both side and rear-mounted taps. Alternatively, a fully integrated solid-surface basin delivers a seamless, hygienic surface that's durable and repairable, perfect for busy environments. With these options, superloo wash areas can match the design quality of the entire space. Now let's talk about combination units, an innovative solution where the WC and hand wash station are integrated into one piece of furniture. These units are often used in environments with limited space or where the layout calls for a compact solution. You'll commonly find them in accommodation settings like student housing, hotels, or military accommodation. The key benefits of combination units are immediately apparent. First, they are space-saving, which is invaluable when you need to optimize every square meter. Secondly, they offer easy maintenance. Cisterns and pipework are easily accessible through convenient access panels. This makes them ideal for high-traffic, high-maintenance environments like hospitality and commercial spaces. Combination units typically use SGL framing for durability, with solid surface vanity tops adding a premium touch, mimicking finishes like marble or terrazzo without the weight or cost. When it comes to basins, the options are impressively diverse, giving designers and specifiers a huge amount of flexibility. Ceramic remains popular for its affordability and classic style, available in semi-recessed, countertop, undermount, and vessel formats. Solid surface basins offer a high-end finish, from minimalist concealed waste styles to seamless integrated options that are hygienic and easy to clean. This flexibility lets you match basin design to the wider scheme, whether for space-saving student setups or luxury hotel washrooms. WC options include back-to-wall and wall-hung, both space-efficient and suited to concealed cisterns for a clean, modern look. These units are ideal for sectors where space, style, and durability must work together, like hospitality and student living. Now that you've chosen your solid surface top, it's time to consider the support system, how your vanity or trough will be safely mounted. A popular option is cantilever brackets, heavy-duty, powder-coated steel supports that hold up to 1 ton each. They're ideal for large troughs and can handle the extra stress of people leaning on them, common in public washrooms. They also offer a sleek floating look, perfect for modern commercial spaces. Just keep in mind, they require solid walls like blockwork or reinforced backing. Stud walls won't cut it without major reinforcement. You'll also need to think about bottle trap visibility. With troughs, options are usually limited to white, black, or chrome, unless the setup allows for concealed plumbing. All considered, cantilever brackets are a cost-effective, durable, and stylish choice for high-traffic environments like offices, public buildings, and retail spaces. The second key support option for solid surface installations is a floor-mounted underframe with access panels. This system is versatile, easy to install, and ideal when walls aren't strong enough for cantilever brackets. With weight directed to the floor, it's a safer, more forgiving choice across a range of projects. A major plus, it fully conceals pipework, improving aesthetics and offering anti-vandal protection, crucial for schools and busy public washrooms. Access panels can include hinges and locks for easy maintenance and are available in finishes like SGL, MFC, or HPL to suit any design scheme. In short, it's a cost-effective, flexible solution for commercial and educational washroom designs. Thirdly, let's look at bespoke cabinetry. This is where design truly meets function. Bespoke units can be wall-hung or floor-mounted, and configured with drawers, doors, shelving, even false panels, to suit the needs of each project. Because they are custom-made, they offer the greatest flexibility in terms of layout and materials, typically manufactured in SGL, HPL, or MFC. Naturally, this level of tailoring makes bespoke cabinetry the most premium option in terms of cost. But in the right setting, it brings a refined elegance and functional benefit that's hard to match, especially in commercial washrooms where aesthetics and durability both matter. When installing solid surface wash troughs or vanity units, correct installation height is key for comfort, accessibility, and compliance. Standard adult height is 800 mm to the top of the unit. In education settings, DFE guidance is as follows. Early years, 500 mm. Key Stage 1, 700 mm. Key Stage 2 Primary 750mm and Secondary and Adult 750 to 850mm, depending on the context. It's also worth noting that the supporting frame or bracket system must be capable of bearing the weight of the solid surface units, especially for larger or bespoke pieces. Modular or adjustable brackets may be used for accessibility or future changes. Getting these specs right early ensures safe, user-friendly installations. Now we will move on to brassware. Selecting the right tap isn't just a matter of style. There are 3 core considerations that help guide the decision-making process. First is mounting type. There are deck-mounted taps that sit on the vanity, or wall-mounted taps that offer a cleaner look but require in-wall plumbing. Second is operation type. Sensor taps are touch-free and water-efficient. Push-action are self-closing after use. Lever taps are intuitive but risk being left on in public settings, with the risk of flooding and high water wastage. This is a great opportunity to touch on water efficiency. Many taps now include low flow rates or restrictors, supporting green standards like BREEAM and WELL. Finally is finish and color. Options go beyond chrome, so you can now choose from black, brass, bronze, stainless steel, or custom RAL finishes to suit your design scheme. So, while taps may seem like a small part of the washroom, the right choice balances form, function, and environmental responsibility, and can elevate the entire user experience. Finally, closing this section, we have accessories. Often installed last, accessories like soap dispensers, hand dryers, and paper towel dispensers play a key role in function, hygiene, and visual cohesion. Modern taps often have matching soap dispensers, deck or wall-mounted, and available in coordinating finishes for a seamless look. Wall-mounted accessories come in varied finishes: brushed stainless, matte black, white, or custom RAL colors, letting designers align them with the overall scheme. Though secondary, accessories help unify the design and elevate user experience. In this part of today's CPD, we'll evaluate the sustainability credentials of Solid Surface, touching on the brand behind the product and the influence it has, silica-free solid surface, the low VOC options available, circularity and recycling, the timber components, finishing on key certifications and environmental standards. Environmental performance varies widely across solid surface brands. Resin types, mineral content, and manufacturing processes all impact a product's footprint. The challenge: not all suppliers are equal. Some prioritize sustainability, using recycled content, reducing VOCs, and improving recyclability, while others stick to outdated, high-impact methods. When specifying, don't just focus on looks or durability. Choose brands that share transparent sustainability data, hold third-party certifications, innovate in materials and processes, source locally to reduce transport emissions. The right supplier matters as much as the product itself. Unlike engineered stone or quartz, Solid Surface is free from crystalline silica, a mineral that releases hazardous dust when cut, posing risks like silicosis and lung disease. Made from acrylic resin, aluminium trihydrate, and pigments, Solid Surface is safe to cut and fabricate without generating harmful dust, protecting fabricators, installers, and maintenance teams. This makes it ideal for projects prioritizing health, air quality, and certifications like WELL and BREEAM. You should always verify material composition and choose reputable brands that disclose their sourcing, supporting both performance and well-being. It's important to address not only material performance, but also its impact on indoor environmental quality. Many modern solid surface materials are now formulated with low or zero VOC emissions, making them an excellent choice for healthier building environments. This is particularly relevant in schools, hospitals and care facilities, where air quality is tightly regulated, but also beneficial in any commercial interior focused on occupant well-being. Low VOC solid surface supports compliance with green building standards such as WELL, BREEAM and LEED, contributing toward points for material health, indoor air quality and responsible sourcing. Plus, because solid surface is non-porous and seamless, it naturally resists mold, bacteria and dirt, reducing the need for aggressive cleaning agents and further improving air quality over time. Beyond sourcing, sustainability also hinges on what happens during and after the life of a product. One of the key raw ingredients in solid surface, aluminium trihydrate, is actually a byproduct from aluminium production. Without repurposing, this material would otherwise be destined for landfill. Depending on the brand and color, solid surface products can contain up to 16% recycled content. Leading suppliers like Hymax and Corian go even further by reclaiming manufacturing offcuts and recycling them into new colors, helping close the loop. A major sustainability strength of solid surface is its durability. Unlike some materials that get replaced every few years, solid surface can be repaired and refinished, extending its usable life and reducing the volume of materials sent to landfill. For clients placing a premium on recycled content, Durat is a great option. It has the highest recycled content on the market. However, it does come with some trade-offs. It can't be thermoformed and tends to be more expensive than other solid surface options. One often overlooked element of solid surface vanity units is the supporting timber framework or panel components. Here, sustainability credentials can quickly unravel or be significantly enhanced. Timber should always come with FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, or PEFC, Program for the Endorsement of Forest Certification, Certification. These globally recognized schemes ensure timber is sourced from responsibly managed forests, harvested in a way that protects biodiversity, backed by a full chain of custody for traceability. Specifying certified timber also helps projects meet broader sustainability frameworks like BREEAM, LEED, and WELL. To summarize, here are the key certifications and standards you should be looking for when specifying solid surface materials. FSC or PEFC confirms timber is from responsibly managed forests. Green Guard Gold, low chemical emissions for healthier indoor air. BREEAM and LEED can contribute to credits for sustainable building design. ISO 14001 and ISO 45001. Supplier commitment to environmental and workplace safety standards. These certifications ensure your solid surface choice supports sustainability, safety, and performance. In this section, we'll cover a summary of typical pricing for solid surface products, with a focus on washroom applications. We'll look at key considerations that affect cost, such as durability, hygiene, and maintenance, and how pricing differs based on whether you're specifying vanities, wash troughs, or superloos. Starting with vanities. For a 1200 mm solid surface vanity top with cantilever brackets, you can expect a cost of around £600. A vanity top with a solid grade laminate, SGL, framed understructure comes in at around £950. Both offer non-porous, water-resistant performance. In high traffic or public spaces, framed units are often preferred to conceal pipework. SGL is the recommended framing material over high-pressure laminate, HPL, due to better resistance to moisture and vandalism. Wash troughs may seem more expensive up front, but can reduce overall costs by eliminating the need for individual basin units and simplifying installation. A thermoformed wash trough, 1,800 mm, typically costs between £1,300 and £1,550, including brackets. For the same unit with an SGL base, expect costs to sit at around £1,800. Wash troughs are ideal for busy environments like shopping centres and schools, offering seamless hygiene, easy maintenance, and space efficiency, accommodating more users with less dead space between basins. Superloos are becoming more common, especially where space or privacy is a concern. These self-contained units suit gender-neutral layouts and offer good flexibility for tight floor plans. Costs are similar to wash trough setups, but with the added benefit of combining the WC and basin in a single unit. They also eliminate the need for multiple fittings and can be paired with deck or wall-mounted taps. In summary, solid surface vanity tops with brackets offer a clean, cost-effective option for general use. Framed units with SGL are better suited to high-traffic, high-risk environments. Wash troughs provide excellent long-term value, hygiene, and user capacity. Superloos offer a space-saving, modern solution that supports privacy and inclusive design. Matching product type to setting, budget, and space constraints ensures a washroom that performs well and looks great long-term. In this final section of today's CPD, we'll take a closer look at 4 real-life case studies that demonstrate how we've worked closely with contractors, architects, and designers to deliver washroom solutions that not only met but also exceeded design specifications. Our first case study is based at the University of Westminster, specifically the Marylebone campus. We had the privilege of working with 2 separate contractors on different areas to deliver washroom solutions that met both performance and aesthetic requirements. Here, you can see our T2 sloping thermoformed wash troughs in Everest White, supplied with cantilever brackets to create a floating appearance and enable floor-level cleaning. 12mm Everest White solid surface splashbacks were also supplied, used as shelving, maintaining material consistency throughout the space. In another area of the refurbishment, we supplied our T1 sloping thermoformed wash trough in a basalt sky finish. This was specified with a vanity underframe to conceal plumbing and deliver a streamlined appearance. On this slide, we have a case study at Little Reddings Primary School in Hertfordshire. The vanity underframes had already been procured on this project. However, they needed a bespoke solid surface wash trough that could integrate seamlessly while still complying with DFE's output specification for sanitary ware. We adapted our T3 slim, flat-bottomed thermoformed wash trough using our in-house fabrication capabilities, with a 50mm extended tap deck to suit the vanity framework, and a 50mm reduction in downstand height for better integration and accessibility. Here, we have a commercial project at East Quay 5, located in Newcastle's iconic quayside area. We adapted our T3 flat-bottomed thermoformed solid surface wash trough to encompass an extended bag shelf to increase trough length and serve both functional and design needs. Cantilever brackets were used for a floating appearance, reinforcing the minimalist aesthetic of the entire project. Our final case study focuses on the Mersey Shopping Centre in Stockport. Here, we adapted our T1 wash trough profile, customizing it with extended bag shelves to accommodate the U-shaped configuration in both the male and female washrooms. We also supplied bespoke vanity units featuring integrated solid surface basins, offering a fully seamless finish. These were toddler height units, designed specifically for accessibility and manufactured to a lower profile. The washrooms were further enhanced with our mirror box units, delivering a fully integrated wash station solution. These units included built-in hand dryers and soap dispensers, white backlighting for a modern touch, and icon stickers for user guidance. Thank you for joining us for today's CPD on solid surface in commercial washroom environments. We hope that you found it useful. We've covered a full spectrum of insights, from what solid surface is and how it's made, to its performance, design flexibility, sustainability, and specification guidance. You should now feel more confident in understanding how and when to use Solid Surface in your projects, and, importantly, how to balance performance, design, and cost. If you require any further information or would like to discuss a project that you are working on, please do not hesitate to get in touch. You can reach our team on 01474 338 300. You can email us at info@thewvc.co.uk, or you can visit our website, where you can view our full product range at www.thewvc.co.uk.